How to hide profile display on Instagram. Here's how you do it. Open up your Instagram first. And once you open up Instagram, you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, head over to the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. After your profile opens, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner and settings and activity opens up on your screen like this. So what you're going to do is from here, you may head over to who can see your content, where you will be finding account privacy option. Go ahead and tap on it. And after that, just go ahead and turn this option on, which is private account. Toggle it on and make your account private, which will limit your visibility to only your approved followers. So that is it. That is how you hide your profile display on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.